Are you ready to streamline your document signing process with precision? Let's jump right into adding recipients to your Docusign envelope first. Click on the New button located on the top left corner of your Docusign dashboard. Next, upload the document you wish to send. For signatures, you can either drag and drop the file or browse your computer to select it. Now, in the Add Recipients section, you will see a few options. Select the recipient type, such as needs to sign, receives a copy, or needs to view. For this example, we will choose needs to sign. Enter the recipient's name and email address in the provided fields. Make sure the information is accurate to avoid any delays in the signing process. Click the Add Recipient button to add the recipient to your envelope. You can repeat this process to add multiple recipients. To set a specific signing order, toggle the signing order option to on, then drag and drop the recipients to arrange them in the desired order. The numbers next to each recipient indicate the signing sequence. To customize access permissions, such as allowing a recipient to view but not sign, click on the recipient's name, then select the appropriate role from the drop-down menu. Once you have added all your recipients, set the signing order and customize the access permissions, you are ready to send your document. Click the Send button, and Docusign will automatically route the document to each recipient in the specified order, and that's it. You've successfully added recipients to your Docusign envelope.